Howdy, guys. Be patient here and now look for the next hook down. When you get a hook down, a low stochastics hook up, that will be your long signal. All right, ladies and gentlemen, ATR is 51. We're going to be a little more patient, a little bit more reserved here. You guys can hear me okay, right? Can everybody hear me okay? All right, so we got the one trade after the news on the fake out breakout, and we're now back at a decent level. But if this starts to break down any further, guys, we probably will look for a sell signal. It's counter trend, but it won't be for long. We don't have too much longer where the trend will turn down. If we go below the pivot, guys, you all know we will be in a downtrend. So let's be patient and let this figure itself out. Not try to jump in. I mean, how many of you guys want to use a I don't know, a 70-point ATR, 70-point stop right now? Anybody here up for using a 70-point stop? Yeah, I think we should let it settle down a little bit, guys. I don't. Yeah, it's my sentiment exactly. And we had too good of a day yesterday to mess it up today, guys. We've been a little quiet for a reason, just making sure people try to stay out of trouble. So keep that in mind. This think about it, guys. We've had opportunity at maybe we had two decent trades long after the news, and a little retracement long. After that, we chill out for a little bit. If if you have a bigger account and you're already up big green, for most of you, you should probably wait until after the open. Let's let the ATR die down a little bit. Those of you who were big green could have taken the counter trend sell signal if you were big green already this morning. If not, be patient. Let's just be patient. Did anyone do that? Did anyone take the counter trend sell signal? 225. Not my plan. I love it. That's fine. Nobody's gonna get mad if you didn't take it. We're trying to look for high probability trade setups, guys. High probability trade setups. Don't get FOMO. Those of you who are newer to the room, please keep in mind we are patient traders. Watch your orientation video, guys. Make sure to schedule a call with us so we can get you acclimated with what we do, how we do things, and make it a basic training today. Make it a class while you're on your trial. It's the best thing you could possibly do. We are going through the fake out breakout trade today for basic training. One of our basic setups. We've done our 16 tick rule recently, M's and W's. Today we will do the fake out breakout trade. Anybody excited about that? Nobody? You guys want to do that today? Very, very good trade to learn to get out of these areas of consolidation and make some decent money doing it. All right, starters in. Love it. One person. That's all I need. Be back in 1 minute, guys. It'll be recorded, be nice. It will be recorded. Mr. Nice, it will be recorded. Damien, I would doubt that we're going to see a similar scenario at the 9:30 open. We're probably going to see some kind of trend be picked for the day. I mean, we have two options here. Basically, we're going to see things be a range bound day, or we see the institutions push it down to get long. Those are probably one of the two things that we're going to see. There we go, Ramon. Yep, guys. Newer traders, please wait the first 6 minutes after the open. Only people with explicit permission from a coach in our club can trade the open. We need to see that you have consistency. You're able to understand the markets well enough. You're able to trade fast enough, so forth, so on. So 9, we've got about 2 minutes till the open, guys. So we basically want to make sure that we're waiting the first 6 minutes, especially after seeing what we just saw. We're going to wait the first 6 minutes and let the big boys tell us, which direction they want to push the market, and we will be followers. We follow the market. We're not trying to predict here. So, Damien, I wouldn't expect it to look the same on the open. I would expect some kind of push one direction or the other. Not as violent of a push, Damien. So a push one direction or the other, and then a continuation of the trend. So if this is a push down, we could see a pretty good long signal soon after the open. If we stay in a downtrend, Damien, we are going to look for sell signals. That simple. We're close enough to a neutral trend now where we could look at this being a two-way trading scenario. And with that being said, again, for those of you newer with us, please make sure to show up to class, practice. If you're going to take trades with us, do it on sim trade or paper trade. Do not trade your actual cash until you've gotten down the system and the process. Not a complicated system or process, but we do have rules, and we expect those rules to be followed explicitly. And it takes a little bit of time to get used to how we do things. So enjoy your first few days with us, and schedule a call, and we'll help talk you through what that looks like. Obviously, everybody's seen what the difference is. While we get ready for the open here, we got two different plans. One is our standard level. That's for somebody who knows how to trade, who's already consistent, and has been trading for a while, and just needs a little bit of guidance. We are open for business, guys. Those of you who were in the short trade prior to the open, just hold on to it. Move your stops down. Those of you who were not in the short trade, let's just be patient, wait the 6 minutes, and we will have an opportunity here soon to get into a trade. So the standard levels really for those of you who have had that trading experience and are already consistent traders. Those of you who are who aren't consistently trading already profitably. And again, for those of you who are more experienced, the pivot break would be a sell signal as well. But if you're not already profitable, we suggest that most people start with the pro plan so you can get class, get a couple coaching sessions in, really get going in the right direction if you're not already consistently profitable. That's it. That's my disclaimer. Made it 2 minutes late. I'm 2 minutes late on my disclaimer. Sorry about that, Ramon. Thank you for taking care of business, buddy. Let's have a great day. We are open for business. There is the sell signal, guys. For those of you who are bigger accounts, already hit big time profitable for the day. You can do that. Again, ATR is still 48. Guys, good inclination here. Tick started very low. Tick started low this morning. So those of you who have been around for a while, what does that typically mean? When ticks start high or low? Ticks started really low today. What do you guys, those that have been around, what does that typically mean, guys? Okay, what direction the market is probably going to go? Down, baby. That's it. And we are officially in a downtrend. We have a few more minutes. Let's see what the big boys and girls want to do. Again, do not be surprised that we don't get a big push down and then a rally, a big rally. So don't be surprised if that doesn't happen, guys. Or if that does happen, forgive me. I wouldn't call that a fake out. We're going to look for, again, Anna, wait for class. We'll go through that in class. If I see another one this morning, we'll go through that too. But those of you who did take the short on the pivot break, we've got a few people short with bigger accounts, people who are more advanced traders. I'm using the pivot now as the stop. So anybody take that short signal should be in well in the profits. Not going to call it an official signal, official trade call, just because ATR is too high. We wouldn't advise people being in it, but 240's got us up almost a couple hundred ticks right now. So and those of you who would like to be in that trade and feel like you missed out, my suggestion is get the class, schedule some coaching sessions, and track your trades. If you can show us that you can navigate through most market conditions over time profitably, then we will help teach you how to get into these kinds of trades. We are at, let's see, another minute and a half, and you will be free to trade around the country. We need that. We need that sound. The ding. You're now free to trade around the country. Yeah, that was the sell signal, Ramon. And you can take it because we've seen your trading for a while now. You're allowed to take that. That was the sell signal that I told everybody they could take. The ones who have permission. And that is a good stop for it too. That is a pretty good stop. Like I said, I'm using a pivot right now, so there's a sell signal. But again, guys, you're looking at 48 ATR. Are you really wanting to use a huge stop right now, even though it's a good sell signal? Do we really want that? And, is this the end of the push down? You got to start asking yourself those questions. Is this the end of the push down? Do I want to use a huge ATR? Literally a pop above the pivot gives us an uptrend. I think we are the next bar. If we don't see a pretty good retracement on this, both 15 and 60 will be in downtrends if we don't see a push up on this next bar on the hourly. So we should, like I said, it will be neutral above the pivot, somewhat neutral above the pivot or long. So here's my suggestion, guys. It's not ideal trading conditions, so why would we push it? Why would we want to be in a trade right now? Some people made their money again. Some people are saying, "Well, I missed out. I didn't make. I wasn't able to get in this trades, guys." That's the way it works. If you're not an advanced trader and you don't know how to get into these trades with the appropriate risk, you shouldn't be trading this. That's just gambling. It really is just gambling. And so that again, another decent sell signal. We just just looking at this 50 ATR is a scary thing. So if you took the sell signal, fantastic. You're making money now. Lock in your profits, and you have a guaranteed money in your pocket on this trade. But again, I just want to keep reiterating it, guys. If you're not an experienced trader, if you're trading a prop firm, how about this? If you're trading a prop firm, these are conditions you do not want to trade another prop firm account money in. Just don't do it. Don't trade if you're limited to a certain amount of risk, a certain amount of contracts, a certain amount of anything. If you're limited in any way, this is not a market condition you want to trade in. If you made your money for the morning, then yeah. But if you look at the charts right now, what do you see? You see nothing but consolidation and chop sideways. So, in a momentum bar on the 60. So we do have a high tick read. We're going to be patient. Again, guys, really, let's be patient. There's not a lot we can do right now. And I am not going to be responsible for you guys taking a losing trade and then yelling at me and saying, "Hey, I'm losing money today," right? You guys are all flat, right? Nobody's trading this right now, right? Right? Everybody should be flat at this point. Yeah, we're just guessing. I mean, guys, if you're trading right now, you are guessing, plain and simple. You're guessing, and you're pressing buttons, hoping. You are welcome, Miss Rad, and happy Valentine's Day to you, ma'am. I really appreciate you. Yeah, if you're still holding a short from the short signal a while back, that's fine. That's fine, Robert. That's completely okay. I would almost be at the point right now, Robert, where you could attach that to like the 89 on and offset it by half the ATR, right, Robert? So maybe 89 plus 25 ticks because you're so deep into the green. And there's another sell signal. I just don't like it, guys. I'm sitting here looking at the ATR, looking at the volatile action of the market right now. You could see a buy signal, maybe 113, like Tony said, could be a breakout buy long. But again, I want to keep going back to this, guys. If you don't know how to trade this and you're trading with a 25-point stop or a 20-point stop, all right, Greg. Hey, we'll see you back. Be back for class, Greg. All right. Can you make it back for class, either pro class or basic training? Yeah, that's it. That's good, Robert. That's perfect. That is perfect. More advanced. I mean, those of you that are more advanced, until we get a breakout to the long side, you can look at these ticks. The ticks have climbed up. So, we possibly are looking at this being the area where the big boys and girls are starting to build a long position. So if you don't know how to trade this, you could use ticks. Ticks aren't really helping us that much. If you're a tape reader, you could play this all day long. If you're a tape reader, you can play it all day long. Very few people have that skill set. We'll take the breakout buy. 113. Anybody do it? 115 is the number I gave. Tony gave 113. Gave 115. So now you should be able to lock in some profits on that. Now we can see if this is one big fake out breakout or if we're going to continue on the north side. So it was a nice little scalp trade. I say scalp. Yeah, 15 ticks. So again, guys, those of you, if you're not lightning fast with managing your trade, I'm just gonna keep saying it. Be cautious. Be cautious. This will break out, guys. This will break out, and we'll have plenty of trades today. So just be patient. We'll get our 10s here in a bit. ATR is still 50. So that's still lingering in the background. Any Valentine's Day plans, guys? While we're waiting on this to settle down a little bit. This is well, you can come to South Florida. Yeah, of course. Everybody that visits me has a workout. Everyone. Perfect. Yeah, absolutely. Easy there, D Nice. There's a breakout long signal, guys. I mean, again, do you really want to take a 75-point stop and tell yourself that this is a good one? I mean, I'm green for the morning, so I like the breakout long signal. Anybody that's big green, you can take it. It's like a 1, 2, 3 reversal trade for us. It's going higher now, guys. It's hard to, it's you know, when the ATR is so high, it's one of those things where you've got to realize that you've got the risk. You either make a decision that you're going to risk 25 ticks and be prepared to get stopped out a lot, or be super patient if you're on ATM and or you know, bracket orders or whatever. If you have a fixed stop loss that you're willing to take, you have to make a decision. Am I willing to take that risk and know that there's a good chance I'm going to take my stop loss right away and try to get back in the trade? Make that decision. Don't gamble is the point I'm trying to make. Know that, hey, look, there's a good chance my stop's going to get hit. Really good chance. Yeah, no, that, I mean, this is a good breakout long. This is a 1, 2, 3 reversal trade. Good breakout long trade. I mean, we've gotten the stuff we needed, all except for, you know, those of you following the basic rules. You got to wait for a low stochastic, and when you see the low stochastic, you can jump in now. We've waited. ATR is still high, but you get a nice hook on stochastics. You get a little pullback to, you know, maybe around the 140, 145 level, anywhere from 145 to 157. Get a nice little pullback to that area. And a hook on stochastics, you could probably take that long without having to take a ton of risk now. Even though the ATR is super high, you could probably do that. Just going to say it one more time, guys. If you're a newer trader, you're stuck with ATM, you're new to us, this kind of market condition is extremely tough for anybody to trade, even the most professionals. If David's around, they'll tell you. Dan will tell you. All the people who've been around us for a while, all the people who are professional traders, Tony, Mike, all these guys will tell you guys, just be patient. You will get another trade. And guess what? If you don't make a trade, you didn't lose money. Plain and simple. The guaranteed, what is a guaranteed never lose money trade in a situation like this? Guaranteed never to lose money. Sit on your hands trade. Stay out, whatever you want to call it. Yep. In a situation like this, you're guaranteed not to lose money in this. Again, those of you who took the breakout, now the stop is your stop is 170. Stop's 170. That's what I'm following right now. That's mine. 170 on the breakout trade, guys.
Take another off, Fritz. One left. Big winner, huh? 160 points.
Nice trade. Nice job. Some of us are in a breakout long. Most people are sitting on the sidelines, coach, because the ATR is too rich for their blood, which is true. So that is what we are doing. People who have experience are long. People who are newer, I've been screaming and yelling to stay safe. Don't get in something that you have to take a 75 tick stop loss unless you're unless your account says it can do that. I don't know if Coach can hear me, guys. Can you guys hear me? Okay. All right. You guys can hear me. So, Coach, put your headset on if you want to hear me. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't think Coach can hear me. I think he has me muted. You got tired of hearing me say, be safe, don't trade, be safe. Oh, got it. Now, here's, guys, keep in mind, this is something that's really neat. You know, our institution, and again, most people in this main room probably should not be in it. You know, don't have any let's see, what's the word? Any reason really, or account size or trading wherewithal to be in our institutional room. But our institutional room has been trading through all of this and doing really well. But they have the account sizes, they have the trading wherewithal, the trading, the understanding that they have to take, you know, sometimes take some drawdowns, bigger gains. They know the risk accepted when trading bigger account sizes, but they're pushing it this morning. We can't do that here. We've got to keep you safe, guys. Hope you guys understand that. We got to keep you safe. If you want to go to the institutional room, have a chat with myself or Coach, and we'll get you get you there if it makes sense. But by no means are we going to allow you guys to be in a situation where, we really pride ourselves in keeping you guys green every single day. You guys know that, and it would be really regrettable to put you in a room where you financially can't succeed. That'd be silly. So anyway, that's what I'm saying.
Fritz. 246 area.
Guys, those that are following that along with me, you can now move from 170 to,
Boom.
we're going to go to 182 now. 182, anybody in that long with me? You guys in here in along with me. Good job, Dan. We know the direction. We knew the direction now, guys. They picked the direction. We should have gotten long. Told you guys. As soon as they picked the direction, again, what did I say? I said this at.
You have any left, Fritz?
What were the exact words? At 9:50 a.m., I told you could wait for the next. Nice job, Worldwide. What did I tell you guys? At 9:50 a.m., I said, wait for the next. What did I tell you guys? Wait for the next. You guys listening to me? pull down and hook up on stochastics and go long. Now, how many other than Denise and JT took it? Oh, Guy took it as well. Those worldwide, D-Nice. Who else took it other than those guys? Sloan took it. Good job, guys. All right, Sarda took it. You guys are listening. How about that? See? You get plenty of opportunity to make money if you're patient. We will officially. What was your guys' feel on that? Because I'm still on the long trade, so I don't actually have a feel that I can give for the official record. Got it, Kev Dog. Should have gotten filled somewhere around the 195 to 197 level. Stay long, guys. All of us are going to use, everybody in here is going to use 235 as our stop. 235 is our stop now. Guys, now we've all locked in plenty of money. I need no fill so I can put it in the record. It should have been 190. What was your entry on the Hoka stochastic set? I told you guys to take the next one. 197, 195. You got a 205 entry. It's a little late, but that's okay. Anybody better than 205? Anybody get a better fill than 205? Worldwide, Stewart, Sarter, somebody? Anybody? You guys are gonna make me use 205 as the official entry. Stay long though. Stay long. 193. Okay, that is what I'm talking about, Stewart. 199. That is fair. 199, 195 to 199 would be a fair fill price. So we're gonna use the 199, guys. That way it's kind of in the middle. That's the official fill price for those of you who had to wait patiently. And we're very good at waiting patiently to get long. We're going to stay long. Let's go up a little bit further here, guys. A couple more ticks up. We got a little ways to go. We are hitting some resistance here. So just go a couple ticks, just a couple more ticks up. Don't just squeeze yourself up and get stopped out of this. A couple more ticks up. You got a ways to go. Nice. We're getting some gongs. This is good. See, that's what you get for being patient, guys. Very, very good. Very good. Great job. Anna, I owe you one. Worldwide. This is for you and Anna. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Thank you, Sarter. Good job, guys. That is how you do it.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, Just visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, participation in chat to work with a coach, as well as our live basic and advanced trading classes. After your first 3 free days, it just starts at $99 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.